We're told that a line is perpendicular to this line, and it has the same x-intercept as this line. Okay, so let's do the first part. If it's perpendicular to y equals 2x plus 3, what do you know about your equation of your new line? If you know it's perpendicular to that line, what information do you know? Perpendicular lines, the slopes are negative reciprocals. Well, what's the slope of this line? Giancarlo, what's the slope of this line? 2, not x. 2 over, let's write it as a fraction, 2 over 1. Okay, so my new line, if it's perpendicular to this line, what is the slope of the new line if it's perpendicular? Yes. Negative 1 over 2. So we know part of the equation. We know the slope. The other piece of information they give us is that it has the same x-intercept. An x-intercept is a coordinate, correct? It's a point on a line. So what do we have to find? The x-intercept. So let's write the equation. Has the same x-intercept as this line. X plus 3y plus 10 equals 0. How do you find an x-intercept? What do you have to do? Yes? Set the y value to 0. And isolate for x. Good. Everyone do that. Okay, so if y is 0, we're isolating, becomes x plus 10 equals 0. So x equals negative 10. So what's the coordinate? What's a point on the line then? If it has the same x-intercept, where is one of the points located? Jenna?
0,
negative 10, 0. Okay? That represents a coordinate. That represents, how do I read a coordinate? Emmanuel? X, Y. Good. Okay? So now we have x and y for my new equation. We have m, we have x, we have y. What do we need to find? B. So do that now. We're going to plug in y. What's the value of y? 0. What was our slope? Negative 1 over 2. And my x, negative 10 over 1. We're finding b. What's negative 1 over 2 times negative 10 over 1? 5. So we have 0 equals negative times a negative is a positive. 10 over 2 is equal to 5. So if 0 equals 5 plus b, b equals negative 5. Okay, so now we know our m, and now we know our b. Therefore, what's the equation of the new line going to be?
2x.
Negative 1 over 2x, yep.
Minus 5.
Minus 5. And that's the equation of the new line.